morning. So we've come to Saturday and we've been looking at Exultata jubilate, and I'm hoping I might do a sort of video which I can put up on my blog that might go through the whole of Exultata jubilate. But I thought you might be getting a little bit tired of that, so I thought we would do something today about water and waterfalls and water lilies. So my vision of water lilies is inspired by Monet's paintings, of course, and the waterfall is a bit like doing a sort of quick run down. So this is my combination of waterfalls and water lilies. So it's sort of so the long note is the sort of calm water lily pond, and the is like a waterfall. Anyway, that's my idea. Play with that, so it's sort of very much inside you. There's no sense really of me feeling I'm singing out. I'm singing inside, really. And actually, of course, that works for whatever kind of singing you're doing. It could be even jazzy. That wasn't very jazzy, but you know what I mean. You can sort of improvise around it, but think of it as being something that's very free and fluid like water. And I'll see you on Monday.